Good morning, everybody, and sorry for all you people in the Midwest and the East Coast suffering that terrible weather. Can't believe it. I'm going to do a very, very quick and simple flip and drag by which is going to be beach themed colors, I guess. Background is going to be blue. The colors I'm using are the Coloré acrylic paints, and they're very heavy bodied, so they take a lot of mixing. So this is cerulean blue and white. I've got white, I have yellow ochre, burnt sienna. This is cerulean blue and white mixed. This is phthalo blue, and this is cerulean blue with some pale green mixed to make a turquoise. So it's going to be super, super simple. I just need to grab a couple of mixing cups. And I think I'm going to do some treadmill in the ocean. So what I'm planning on doing is having a completely blue background, so there'll be lots of blue negative space, and then I'm going to flip and drag an ocean and flip and drag a beach. So it's going to be an abstract flip and drag. Okay, let's get the blue down. And spread this around. I want this completely covered. And I do have a couple of forks here. So just spread this around. So I am still in the Turks and Caicos. I escaped the winter, but I am going back in about 10 days, and I have to say I'm not looking forward to going back to that weather at all. The only thing I am looking forward to, apart from being more with my husband, is seeing my studio again and doing a lot more of my resin work, because I haven't done any resin work here. It's very expensive, the resin, and even if you get anything shipped in, you have to pay like 37%. So for every dollar you have to pay an extra 37 cents, so it really does become expensive. So while I'm here, I tend to just do watercolors, and you've seen my videos, and a few acrylic pours. Okay, I'm going to touch up those sides when I've finished doing the I think I'm going to do the beach first. So I'm going to pour some burnt sienna, some yellow ochre, and a little bit of white. And I've also run out of my white, which is another reason it's hard to do anything here. So remember, this is going to be abstract beach pour. Okay, I think that'll be enough for the beach. And now the water. And oh, I want to put some treadmill lubricant in this. Let me grab it. Where is my treadmill lubricant? Oh, it's not treadmill lubricant. It's actually hair oil that I'm using, and I'm going to put that in. Let me bring it to you. I'm going to put some, I actually found that this hair oil works better than the treadmill lubricant. Okay, some turquoise, some light blue, some more Prussian blue. I'm going to try and do, I want to do floating cups, but I don't think it's going to work. Okay, that, and I'm going to add some more white into the sand. Okay, all right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I would love these to float. Let's see if I can do this. I don't know if that's going to work. Ooh. Now what's amazing, oh that's so pretty, is that there is absolutely no silicone or oils in, excuse me, oh, no oils or silicones in my kind of beach mixture that I made. But I don't want to tilt it too much because I'm kind of liking how that's turned out. Now I can touch up the edges with my blue that I have left. There we go. Oh, I really like this. I think this would be, well, this canvas is just a cheap canvas that I brought some with me to the island just for tutorial purposes actually, and it is it is an 8 by 10, I think. Yeah, an 8 by 10. So there we go. Let's touch that. And there you have a super simple acrylic pour. I'm going to bring you down. Take my gloves off. So I'm going to bring you down. You can take a look and see how fabulous those cells are. Now this really was a beginner's guide to an acrylic flip and drag, and you can see how simple it is to get that, and actually very beautiful painting. And all my paints were mixed with 1 part paint to approximately 3 parts Floetrol, and no water. Thanks for watching. See you next time.